Do you know who your public insurance adjuster is? You should if it's one of us two, and it should be one of us two, bellatorclaims.com. But what we're talking about today is the mass influx of people that have come from other industries into public insurance adjusting. And the question is, are you working with the correct and proper public adjuster for your specific claim? Chris, welcome, my friend. Tell us more and tell us why this is such a big deal.
Hello. I think this is a huge deal because I'm starting to notice a trend. There are a lot more people getting in this industry, and so
Yeah,
that's when you, as the insurer, you as the general contractor, or you as the property manager, just to make sure that you're doing your due diligence,
yeah, for
especially if
sure.
it's like hey, I've got a family friend that just became a PA. Well, are you going to really get everything that you need to actually,
Right.
help you win your
So
claim?
what I liken it to is experiment versus
Mhm.
experience. So if
Yes.
you're one of the first, like literally one of the first 100 claims that this person's working on, they're experimenting. I've literally worked on, I'm going to say between 800 and 900 claims now and helped
Mhm.
on other claims too, but legitimately, I'm no longer experimenting. I have the experience to crush the insurance company when they're not being fair. And we just got a
Mhm.
massive victory where an insurance company told us we're not going to do that. And I was like, BS. And so we sat down, Chris and I sat down, we crafted an amazing articulate email that hit all the points. We sent this to them, and literally 2 days later, they're like, oh, hey, by the way, we're actually going to agree to that. And we got what we
Mhm.
needed for the insured. And it's like a victory for us. Yes, we love to win, but really it's a victory for the insured. So just make sure you're working with the correct public adjuster who has the experience, the knowledge, and all the accolades that go along with having the experience. It took me many years to be able to get to the point where I'm like, damn, I'm really good at this. And I'm telling you, going on 11 years of public insurance adjusting, I have an amazing background and technical experience with insurance claims. I started way back in the day working $4,000 claims. I've done like an $8.6 million claim and everything in between. So if your public insurance adjuster doesn't have that type of experience, you need to contact us, bellatorclaims.com. Chris, I'll give you the
Yeah.
final word, my friend.
No, I just want to add on that too. Experience obviously does come into play too, because throughout the years with Bellator Claims, we've established really good relationships too with some large loss adjusters that we come across again. And
Right.
we know how to work with those adjusters. But more importantly, we've worked with every single insurance company. So we know how they operate. And then we also know how
Right.
to update as the insurance claim process changes, especially over the past 2 years. We've been just trying to stay ahead of the game, which we have been doing to make sure that we're always up to date, to make sure that we can fully and fairly pay your claim in a great timely manner. So
Yeah.
that's it.
And so when Chris says every insurance company, just be aware that it's every major insurance company. Like there's some small pockets here and there that we haven't worked with, but every single major insurance carrier that you see on TV, we have gone up against and we have kicked their ass. So if you want somebody that will win for you 97% of the time and actually win your claim, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. Do us a favor. We're trying to reach 1 million contractors, insured, property managers, commercial brokers. Do us a favor and like our post, give us a comment, tell us how awesome we are, share this with the world, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. We will see you next time, my friend.